Looking for smart, reliable home security? Meet the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus, the 2022 battery-powered model that keeps an eye on everything, day or night. With 1080p HD video, color night vision, and a wide 140-degree field of view, you get crystal clear footage and full coverage of your property. Whether it's bright daylight or complete darkness, this camera captures every detail. It features advanced motion detection with customizable motion zones, so you only get notified when it really matters. Got unexpected movement? You can activate the remote security siren and built-in spotlight right from your phone to scare off intruders in seconds. Talk to visitors or delivery drivers through the two-way audio system, complete with noise cancellation for clear communication. Plus, with Alexa integration, you'll get real-time announcements on Echo devices and live views on Fire TV. Installation takes just minutes, and the quick-release battery pack makes recharging simple. You can also switch to continuous power with a plug-in adapter or optional solar panel. It's weather-resistant, works in extreme temperatures, and includes cloud storage of your video history for up to 180 days with Ring's subscription plan. So whether you're at home or away, the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus delivers peace of mind with powerful protection. Tap the link in the description and first comment to check it out now.